Okay, so there's an example where I already have some footage here of my little dinosaur moving around. So I want to go ahead and add a picture. So I'm going to click on photos and I'm going to look for the photo that I'm looking for, which is in this particular example a picture of his little battery pack. So I'm going to pop that in there. Notice when I do, it defaults to that little 19.4 seconds. I can make it longer or shorter, same as I can in the video. And because it is a picture, by default, you'll notice that as we play it, it winds up doing the Ken Burns effect where it moves around the picture. If you don't want Ken Burns, the only way to get rid of it is to highlight the object, and you'll notice when you do, you have these little pinch to position. So when I turn it on, my pinch to position, I'm going to move it so that I can see that this guy is right in the center and he's right at that position, and now I'm going to move it to the exact same position here and then go ahead and end it so that now when I play this through, that's the easiest way to remove the Ken Burns effect, and that is how I do that. If I want to go ahead and for some reason I want to do a picture-in-picture, you're only allowed to do picture-in-picture on video, but we'll go back and look at some of the media that we have already again. Say, for example, I wanted to put this little dinosaur portion, maybe just a little bit of it, maybe this little part right from the beginning, and I want to do picture-in-picture. Well, now that I've highlighted that, if I hit the little extra 3 options there, if I go ahead and pop him down here, you'll notice that now I've got my picture-in-picture thing going on. And while this is highlighted, you'll notice that if I come over here, I can change the different options so I can split the screen top to bottom and so forth, or keep it picture-in-picture. So those are the options that are available there. If I decide that I don't want it anymore, I can go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that right out of there. So now notice that I have these little transitions in between my footage. So if I want to change the timing, I can make them longer or shorter down here. And notice that if I highlight and go down below, I get to the precision editor, so I can choose exactly where I want that to happen within the picture. And notice that I can choose some different options for how that transition happens. So I can choose the fade or the wipe or so forth, so that it will move a little bit differently.